Got an old railway abutment there. Lots of mining history in this area. The Richmond Vale Railway used to run through this field as well. The old bridge over Wallace Creek is back that way. You can't really get to it though without going on private land and jumping fences. But once it went over the bridge, it came through this field here and over towards the Richmond Vale Railway Museum, which is over that way. You wouldn't know it, there's actually a railway tunnel underneath here. There's 3 tunnels. I've actually ridden through the first one. So huge cutting you can see here with some unstable cliffs. Lots of rubbish, as it is always for Cessnock. You can just about see it there.